while we are doing practice itself, I'll repeat the concept. Okay.
Yeah.
So yesterday first we discussed about array, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. So we'll start from array then. So what exactly array? Array is a consecutive. Consecutive means consecutive in the sense you might have heard about this word, right? So consecutive sixes, and consecutive fours. Rohit Sharma hitting consecutive sixes. What does it mean? Consecutive sixes means without any dot balls. Okay, without any single run, also continuously hitting sixes means consecutive sixes, right?
Okay.
Right. Consecutive means continuously. Okay. So array is a consecutive memory location, which means in one array you can keep continuously. We can keep 3 or 4 items, more than that also. Which means so same type of values you can keep in one array. Okay.
Okay.
So array is a special type of variable in shell scripting that can store multiple values under one name. This is in simple way. Simple way, if we talk about this array, shell scripting in shell scripting, array is a special type of variable. Okay, it is a kind of variable. Okay, and it can store the multiple values. Normally, variable in previous I did not share, right?
No.
Okay, this can be done. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is.
That's good. Yes. Okay. So yeah, in previous we in variable. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. So a equal to 10. A is a variable. 10 is a value. Okay. This is just simple variable. Okay.
Yeah.
But what does it array? Array is a special type of variable. You can keep example. A file is there. File equal to file 1. Okay, you are going to keep different files. File 2 and file 3, like this. Okay, you are keeping multiple values in one variable. This is also variable. Okay, the list of items you are keeping in one variable. Okay,
Okay.
you made it as a group. It's a kind of group. Okay, so you made it as a group, and you are keeping and you are storing in variable called as array. That's it. Okay, so for example, um, file 1 equal to log related file 1 dot txt. Okay, file 2 equal to log 2 dot txt. Okay, file 3 equal to log 3 dot txt. Okay, suppose these values are there in file 1. File log 1 related some text file is there in file 1. Okay, and log 2 text dot txt is there in file 2. So this is without array. A variable, file 1 variable is storing with the log 1. File 2 variable is storing with log 2. File 3 variable is storing log 3. Clear?
Yeah.
So with array, if you write with array, you can write like this. Files equal to, you can keep like this. Log 1 dot txt, log 2 dot txt, So there is no any relationship with it. I'm just keeping example. Okay, and log3 dot txt, something like this. So this is a kind of array. Okay, you are keeping multiple values in one variable. Okay, so this is how we can write. Okay, so now question is purpose. What is the purpose? Array help. What is the purpose of array? It will make it as a group. Okay, group of similar data. Okay, next it will replace hard code, hard coded values. Okay, you can make it as a script. Make a script. Uh, you can make it as a script and scalable. Okay, you can change the values also if you want. Okay, so what you may get doubt. So you have seen the difference between normal variable and array. Okay, so what it will replace? It will replace repeated use of individual variables. Example, a equal to log dot txt, b equal to log 1 dot txt. Some lot more repeated values are there. Okay, okay, number 2 3 4 5 log 4 log 5 log 6, something like this. Okay, you can keep all the values. It is continuously repeating and you can keep in one array. Okay, and also it will repeated code blocks, processing them by one. Okay, complex or unreadable scripts. Okay, unreadable scripts that do the same task many times. That is the purpose. Okay, example. Okay, I can give one more example. Example, users are there. Users equal to, you can write like this: Ramesh. Ramesh is a one user. Rakesh is a one user. Okay, Mahesh is one user. Okay, you are keeping all users in users variable. Clear? Instead of keeping all different variables, user 1 equal to Ramesh, user 2 equal to Rakesh, user 3 equal to Mahesh, user 4 equal to X, user 5 equal to Z, like this. Instead of keeping all different variables, you are keeping all variables, sorry, you are keeping all values in one array and it is storing it as a variable, right? So that is the purpose. So it code efficiency, the benefit is actually store multiple related items. Okay. So code efficiency, automation purpose, loop through values easily. Okay. And easier to understand the scripts. All these kind of examples you can consider using as array. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Let me take, see this. So these are all examples. Yesterday we used this kind of thing. Services equal to Nginx is one, Docker is one, SSHD is one. So you made these three as a one array. Okay, it is storing, services are storing these values. Okay, so it is calling for services in, so you know this already. We are calling like this. Okay, but do, we did not discuss about do and done and for loops. These loops we did not use. Okay, just we'll take small examples instead of all these things. Okay, so after conditional statements we'll see that. Okay, examples, see normal examples. See apple, banana, cherry. Okay, there are some fruits. So you declared all these values and you kept in fruits. Okay, so you are calling echo first fruit index 0. 0 means apple will call. Okay, index 1 means banana will call. Index 2 means cherry will call. So like this, as we discussed yesterday, same, right? Let's do that. Okay, I'm going to keep here this. Second. Okay, sorry, including I mentioned that also. I should make it as comment. Okay, oh, 12 fruits 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 I'll mention here 0 and I'll close this. Hey, it's not getting nothing. Echo dollar mentioned properly, but I don't know. Maybe fruits fruits are correct. Let me take without bin dash. Okay, now I'll just keep file. Just I'll keep as a file. Okay. Dash, bin dash. Okay, so echo you're calling fruits. Okay, let me execute file without this. I declare it. Apple, banana, cherry. I'm just executing it. That's it. Okay. Okay. Now I will call echo. What is the mistake? The first one is you are declaring all the values in this variable. That's okay. Okay, but I'm just calling only first one, first index. Okay,
Okay.
but I don't know why it's not getting answer. I'm just if I call this, all variables are getting it. I'm just using index values. I need to use index values. If you execute this script, for example, you will get all the values. Okay, but I don't want that. I want to use index values. Index 0 is apple, index 1 is banana, index 2 is cherry. Okay, yeah, okay. Root index is 0, index 1. Okay, we could not able to call like this. Okay, let me run this. Let me use this. Paste. Okay, these are all valuables, and here also echoes. I'm just calling 0, index 1, index 2, index 3 here. So print echo total number of values. Oh, hash is for numbers. Okay, that's fine. Loop using. Okay. Hmm. So this is not the way. I don't want to use this. So what I have to do is, my intention is not to call this. If you execute that, it will display definitely. You understood? If you execute it, whatever it is there, it will give you result. But I don't want in this way. Okay. So what I will do is let me use different DevOps. tools dot sh. Okay. Let me take help from here. Okay. Echo all the values are I want to keep dollar DevOps. What I mentioned DevOps start. Okay. All the values are cat tools. This is tools. Why can't I call index numbers with index numbers?
Ale-
Echo. I will use Docker containers Terraform Ansible. .sh. really small task, but so these tools I mentioned. Okay. Okay. Echo. Echo. Dollar. Okay. This is last attempt. I will check later. What is the tools, right? Tools. Uh, star one. Hey, what is this here? Why it is not letting? Anyways, we'll see this later.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I will take another example.
Okay.
Wait. Colors dot sh. Example. The hash. Bin bash. Okay. Colors equal to colors equal to mm, red, yellow, green, something like this. Okay. Uh, so, so I'll save it. That's it. I'll save it. So, for example, if I execute this, so you should see the colors. Okay. So chmod colors colors dot sh. Enter. Okay. Next colors. Now I can call colors. Okay. Cat. Red, yellow, green. That's correct. CYRS colors. And here like this, and so no space required. So it's okay. Let me execute this. Yeah, but because of space, it is happening all. Let me open this. It's not getting now. Okay, echo dollar plus colors 0 or 1, whatever. Why it's not? What is the issue? Hey, sorry, I forgot. Still it is not getting. Why this index value is not working? Shebang line, okay. Declare the this is okay. So call specific index values inside the file itself. Okay, inside the file itself, ChatGPT has taken inside the file. I am actually calling from outside. Okay,
Okay.
036. Actually, ChatGPT is suggesting to keep inside the file only. Okay,
Okay.
so you can also store the index values in variables like this. Index equal to 2, echo 2 let index. This is different way. It's called just only executing the file in this concept. Okay, let me check ls. Okay, b colors sh. Yeah, it is executing like this. This is okay, but I just want to call outside using index values. That's what I have tried. If you execute a shell scripting, that's fine. So whatever it is declared, it is showing. Index 0 is Git, index 3 is Kubernetes, index 6 is Ansible, index 2 is Docker. But in Python, what I used to do is while I'm using array, if I write something, if I call index one, if I call like this, example file is something, file one, okay, index value. If I call 0, it should get the value like that. So that's how Python way I tried, but it doesn't execute it here. Fine, that's fine. Okay, so I will check. Maybe I need to segregate and I need to gather some more examples instead of using
Okay.
live this ChatGPT and all. I will gather more better examples. Okay, so I will share with you also. Okay, so we'll do one thing. So maybe we have to move forward. So can you do practice now?
Yeah.
Okay, you can share your screen. I will check later. This we will discuss it again. I need to gather more examples better way.
Sorry. I mean, this is my new laptop actually.
Aha. What about so you have an account, right?
Sorry.
Is it like
Hello.
yeah, your voice is getting can you stop sharing once, Rakesh? Now okay, okay. So I got some very big noise. What is that?
Hello.
Yeah, Rakesh,
Yeah,
can you
yeah,
hear me?
yeah.
Oh my god. Getting too much noise. Now it is okay, Rakesh.
Yeah.
So you have AWS account, right, already?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You can log in here. After that, you can share. So where you have stopped last class? Claps.
Like git git push.
No, no, no. Shell script also you tried along with this multi comments and single line comments also you practiced, right?
Uh,
Shell script you didn't do any practice?
no, I mean with you I didn't it.
Okay, okay, got it. So main things will do. Okay. So I will ask you to write some small examples regarding strings. Okay. So once you log in, just let me know. So here in this array, Python also almost similar, Rakesh. So for
Okay.
example, we will write fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry. So in Python, we will call simply whatever variable is there, that variable we can call in print. Print fruit index 0, fruit index 2, fruit index 1, fruit index 3, like that. So output is simple. It will get output if the index 0 is apple, so you'll get output apple. Something like that I tried actually here, but it's not getting here. I don't know.
For MFA, it should ask the pin of the laptop, right? But
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
asking me insert your security key into the USB port.
No, no, not this, not this. Can you close this? Not this. Okay, come down. No, I can't see this now.
Yeah, like if I share, I'm not able to hear you.
Oh, why so?
I don't know.
Okay, no problem. Don't. Okay, then how? What is this? Why it is?
Like yesterday, my friend took that laptop.
Uh-huh.
That's why I just logged into my friend another roommate's laptop.
Okay, okay. So do one thing. I will text you. Okay.
Okay.
Share your screen. I will let you know. There is an issue with microphone, I think.
Able to hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay.
So do one
I'm
thing.
getting
You
this
share.
error.
Yeah, share your screen. Wait.
Ah, Lokesh.
Rakesh, you can share now. Show me that.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Uh,
email address.
You can keep a mute there in laptop.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So try to log in now, right? So here, next, go next. Actually, there is multi-factor authentication here. Okay, sign in. Okay, wait. Trouble sign in. Just click on trouble sign in. No. Trouble sign in. Yes. Okay. Use continue sign login. Yeah. Okay. Is this your email ID, right? Yeah. So then send the email. Yeah. Okay. So you will get a verification. So is that not is this email not linked with your mobile? Okay. Just type the password without showing password. This Rakesh Rangoli 1 gmail.com is there, right? That is not logged in with email, I mean mobile phone. Maybe in your mobile it will be there. If it is there, then you can take confirmation from there itself. So just generated, right? Just now you generated. Did you get email?